Most of the world just settles for things because they don't believe enough of themselves. They don't think that they can do it, therefore they don't even attempt to do it.
Raise your hand if you ever had a dream that was so important to you that you worked tirelessly day and night until it became the very essence of your existence. Now imagine that on the day that it was to come to fruition, the rug was ripped out from under you. And instead of jumping for joy and claiming victory, you were on bended knee crying and questioning whether or not to give up. Contest chair, ladies and gentlemen, that is the exact situation that my wife and I endured. And from that situation, my little success story was born. Literally. At the time playing basketball, I learned a lot of things about life that I didn't even realize. Things such as decision-making, teamwork, commitment, work ethic. These are things you cannot learn in the classroom, you cannot study them, and you cannot read about them. They need to be experienced. The more good you put into your mind, the more good is going to come out of your mind. It's impossible to have negativity and positivity at the same time. You can be negative, and you can be positive, but you can't be negative and positive at the same time. It doesn't work. You know that was there. Did anyone know that was there right now?
Yes.
Okay. You knew because you tried to hang it, right?
Yes.
You became aware of it because you tried to hang it. So if you didn't know that was there, and I didn't point it out, you wouldn't know it was there. Makes sense, right? So the only way you can take action on something is if you're aware of something. All right? So you have to stop saying, I'll try, and stop saying, I can't. I can't is the worst word in the world. That's basically saying, I'm not even going to try. I hate try. But I can't is, I'm not even going to try. All right? So instead of saying try, say attempt. When you, in basketball, right? What are these called? Field goal what? Attempts, right? It's not a field goal tries, right? Why? The wording, right? So say, I'll attempt it. November 11, 2013, our son Parker was born in the Bronx. And yes, obviously, he's a Yankees fan. Is there another team that plays in New York? Now, give me 4 reasons why you can be better at it. Louder, get up. Do your homework, louder. Pay attention, louder. Ask for help, what else? Ask your parents. See that? Now you have a positive tabletop. You have a belief system that works. Alright? That's how belief works. The only way belief works is if you support it with positive things. Basketball is 5-on-5, full court, and there's no restrictions to where you can go on the court. And there's no restrictions to what you can do with the basketball. A guy who's 7'2" can dribble up and down the court as much as he wants, and a guy who's 5'2" can go up and dunk if he wants to. It doesn't matter. All the players are joining other great players to play. They don't want to fight each other, and they don't want to fight each other on the court, right? Like who knows Michael Jordan, right? Okay? Who knows Magic Johnson? Who knows Larry Bird? All right? Did these guys ever want to play with each other? No. Why? They wanted to beat each other. Doesn't mean they weren't friends, but they wanted to beat each other. The competition is going downward, right? And that's not how life works. You know, just because you show up for a job interview doesn't mean you're getting the job. Just because you went into your boss's office and said, listen, you know, I think I deserve a raise, doesn't mean you're going to get one just because you showed up. You have to be willing to put in the work to do what you need to do to get where you want to go. PEDs in my world, and I think in the world of every successful person, is what we call performance-enhancing decisions. All right? Every decision you make in your life is going to either enhance your life or be a detriment to your life. I mean, it makes sense, right? So what I've done is kind of use an acronym and change the words to get people talking. So average is the worst of the best and the best of the worst. The middle. There's no room for up. There's no room for down. You're in the middle. If you're okay with being average, I'm not. When you go home and you're faced with a decision, an important decision, and you don't know what to do, trust your gut. Take a shot. What's the worst that happens? when you start to climb that ladder of success, and the people start attacking you and challenging everything about who you are, defend yourself and your family as if it's the last seconds of the game. Your team is up by 1 and the other team has the ball. The next time you have an opportunity to help someone out and give them assist, pass the ball. Let them shine. And lastly, when you take that shot and you miss, promise me one thing. You're going to go grab that rebound and take another shot.
Like we always do with this time, I go for mine, I get to shine. Now throw your hands up and